Hello everyone. Today we're going to do one of our family favorite recipe, steak tartare. Oh, I know. I bet some of you are cringing just thinking about raw meat. Ooh, disgusting. But not at all. It is absolutely delicious. My mom, a native of Belgium, has been making this recipe for as long as I know. It's a recipe that has been passed on from her mother and then her grandmother. Alright, so let's get started. So what do we need? So most importantly, we need beef, good quality beef. We use extra lean beef from Rare Weather Farms in Wyoming. We found it to be a good quality beef, tastes great, and it's safe. Then we'll need salt, pepper, mayonnaise, capers, parsley, and Worcester sauce. Just egg yolk.
Pas tellement, un petit peu.
So, where does the mayonnaise come from?
C'est la mayonnaise, je la fais moi-même.
Do you make your own?
Ça c'est facile à faire. Ça.
So it's olive oil, and how do you make olive?
Tu peux faire de l'olive, sinon avec des œufs. Tu casses.
So it's real mayonnaise, homemade. A little bit of olive oil. Use one whole egg, one egg yolk, some vinegar, a little bit of mustard. Mix it up. Very easy to make. Tastes great. Doesn't have any of that soybean oil that you shouldn't be eating anyway.
Et tu commences comme ça, battre avec le parfum.
Right.
Et puis tu ajoutes petit à petit de l'huile. Ça peut être de l'huile d'olive ou de l'huile de maïs. Jusqu'à ce que...
fais combien d'échalotes?
J'en ai mis 4.
4.
Ça dépend de la grandeur aussi.
Ils sont bons. one more taste. Let's see how it is. Oh, that's good. Really good. In my opinion, you can't have steak tartare without Belgian fries. Wait a minute, did I say Belgian fries? Well, yes, they're not from France, they're from Belgium. Everyone knows that, except for Americans. Well, that's what I'm talking about. No frozen junk here. Fresh potatoes, we hand cut them, and we stay away from seed oils. No vegetable oils, no peanut oils, beef tallow. That's the way to do it. When you make them this way, it's a whole different fry. I'll be posting a video how to make authentic Belgian fries soon, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. As you can see, it's not very difficult to make steak tartare, so I hope you give it a try, and please let us know how it went in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Okay, go ahead and eat. Donna eating? Voilà. Voilà.